Bullish ramp cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 24 cents and 53 cents by 2030. Market experts accept ramp could reach 24 cents by 2025. Bearish ramp market cost expectation for 2022 is 4 cents. Ramp presentation. Since its send-off in 2020, Ramp has figured out how to stand out as a multi-chain loaning stage that empowers clients to boost their crypto returns. In any case, Ramp's previous presentation has been very conflicting, with a few ups and downs. In spite of that, Ramp is as yet viewed as a coin of revenue in the cryptographic money market, with promising future outcomes. Assuming you're interested about the cost of Ramp, you're perfectly located. In this video, we've summed up Ramp cost expectations, from Ramp cost today to average cost, current cost, past execution, verifiable information, least cost, normal exchanging cost, and most extreme cost, as well as thinking about whether Ramp coin is supposed to be a wise venture for what's to come. For our exhaustive Ramp cost figure, continue to peruse. What is Ramp? Ramp DeFi is a decentralized multi-bind driving stage intended to help DeFi reception. It was established by Lo Zhengrong and Lawrence Lim to expand capital proficiency on stacked computerized resources. Ramp permits non-Ethereum clients to stake coins on Ethereum stages, and Ethereum clients can likewise utilize Ramp's foundation to build their yields. Ramp enables clients to acquire yields on collateralized resources, permitting them to move coins consistently across different blockchain networks. The Ramp token is given as a feature of the Ethereum network as an ERC20 token, opening extra liquidity and serves numerous different capabilities on the protocol is utilized. This framework boosts capital productivity as well as permits clients to open liquidity from marked resources and stack numerous yield streams without a moment's delay. Clients who are now a piece of the Ethereum blockchain can mint a USD at zero charges by keeping their ERC20 tokens into Ramp's liquidity pool. This framework permits both RUSD and EUSD holders to get, loan, or trade their tokens unreservedly and make liquidity for clients. Through symbolic consumes, Ramp holders can get esteem back on the coins they hold. Ramp's interesting selling point is the way it furnishes clients with the most minimal acquiring charges and the absolute most noteworthy store yields on insurance resources. Ramp's specialized examination. Ramp's creation was fundamentally incited by the soaring development of the marking economy. And as this development heightens, the cost of Ramp coin is additionally liable to increment. Like other digital currencies, there is a restricted greatest stockpile of Ramp tokens, meaning something like 1 billion tokens will at any point be made. The coin can never again be printed, and any Ramp consumed is forever eliminated from flow. This makes Ramp DeFi resistant to expansion, a solid sign that Ramp's worth will probably keep on rising. A greater part of crypto lovers are likewise putting down their wagers entrance's future cost development, referring to high utility, sensible tokenomics, and significant use cases as proof that Ramp is a wise speculation. As the DeFi crypto industry grows significantly further, specialists have assessed that the cost of Ramp will probably ascend from here on out, and any venture could bring great returns. Ramp major investigation. A greater part of DeFi stages are Ethereum-based, leaving out non-Ethereum clients. Ramp DeFi tends to this basic market hole. The Ramp stage is great for battling this issue and engaging non-Ethereum clients to use the advantages of DeFi. Along these lines, Ramp harbors a special market potential with fantastic possibilities arriving at new highs later on. Ramp permits clients to acquire yields by cultivating or marking on their capital, collateralizing their capital, getting RUSD stablecoin, and afterward utilizing that coin to make different ventures all simultaneously. This productive framework permits clients to appreciate exceptional yields on venture on their resources and all the while extricate liquidity. Ramp DeFi offers a plenty of highlights, including yield cultivating valuable open doors, a cross-chain liquidity span, and marking rewards. Basically, Ramp outfits clients with an unmistakable situation to procure huge benefit and open liquidity, all while tending to a serious cryptographic money market hole. Ramp current cost. Ramp is as of now worth 5 cents USD. Ramp has moved 0.20% as of now with an exchanging volume of $8,326. Ramp is as of now positioned 513 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $25,977,093 USD. Ramp value forecast 2022. Ramp, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The Ramp cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to 8 cents. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging 7 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. Ramp is supposed to have a base worth of 6 cents. Ramp value forecast 2023. In 2023, ramp cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of ramp will before long outperform 13 cents. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the ramp's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ramp will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 10 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 11 cents. Ramp value forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 19 cents and ramp might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Ramp is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 17 cents and a low of 16 cents in 2024. Ramp value forecast 2025. Assuming that ramp effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money aficionados, the ramp coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ramp will be green in 2025. The ramp is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at 24 cents, with a base cost of 21 cents and a typical cost of 22 cents. Ramp value forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the ramp cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 28 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 27 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ramp has a most extreme value worth of 29 cents. Ramp value expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 33 cents. In the event that ramp figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of 35 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help ramp needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 32 cents. Ramp value expectation 2028. While ramp is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 38 cents and a yearly cost close above 40 cents in 2028. Ramp value expectation 2029. By 2029, ramp will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 43 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 46 cents, averaging out at 44 cents. Interoperability is the future of blockchain and DeFi, and is a center mission that Ramp DeFi holds on. This focuses to the extraordinary and maybe even progressive potential ramp holds to turn into the sign of DeFi, giving new open doors to DeFi financial backers and advancing the smooth motion of assets. With more prominent interconnection, there will be higher worth exchange to ramp, a dependable sign for consistent future development. All things considered, obviously Ramp DeFi is a promising undertaking based on strong essentials, being supported by veteran crypto financial backers and investors like Parafi Capital, Alameda Exploration, and that's just the beginning. While it hasn't advanced toward the top at this time, Ramp DeFi unquestionably has gigantic space for development and critical potential to be a